Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Roger. Today it's my honor to introduce one of Midea HVAC solution to you. This solution is focused on the data center application. Midea did a lot of data center projects around the world. We not only provide the HVAC equipment, but also the control system, including the chiller, indoor terminal, and the BMS. Midea has more than 10 years experience in the data center application. Here is one of the cases to show you the data center solution Midea offered to the customer. The project is called the Penton Cloud Brand Phase 2, the world's fastest AI training cloud. It is the supercomputing joint built by the Huawei and the Penton Lab, mainly used for the scientist computing such as AI computer vision, natural language, automatic driving, intelligent transportation, intelligent medical care, and the other basic research and exploration. The International Supercomputer Conference 2021 has released the latest IO 500 rankings. In the ranking, term period air basic hardware and software of the Penton Cloud Brand Phase 2 supercomputer once again refreshed the world record. The input and output of the whole system and 10-node scale system won to world champion. Among them, the input and output performance score of the whole system is nearly 20 times that of the second place, which once again verified the Penton Cloud Brand Phase 2 has the world's top data processing ability and the AI computing power. The building of the Penton Cloud Phase 2 has 3 floors. The first floor is mainly for the distribution substation, battery room, operating room. The second and the third floor are mainly for data room, monitoring room, test room, office, and so on. The first floor of the steel frame floor is of the HVAC cooling system. The comprehensive solution is the first requirement from the designer. The supplier has to offer the equipment, control system, and assemble, commission, and after-sales service together. It is the turnkey project which needs to install all equipment within 30 days and finish the commission within another 10 days. Of course, the low PUE reliability and free cooling is the same important. The challenge of this project is how to offer it as soon as possible. In order to meet all requirements of this project, especially the limit time, Midea finally provides the solution with 3 parts: the chiller package, cooling water package, and the chilling water package. Thanks to all the package were finished in the factory and tested, the package were delivered to the job site and just only need to connect the piping with each other and then to save their installation and commission time. The chiller package including intelligent controller, high-efficiency chiller, water treatment equipment, valves, VFD pumps, and some piping. All are factory prefabrication. It shortens TTM by 50%, easy for phase development, repeat expansion needs. Same as chiller package, the cooling water and chilling water package were assembled in factory, including control panel, pumps, piping, and some valves. Midea modular chiller package of the intelligent temperature control solution has excellent features, such as quality guaranteed, all parts from the same supplier, prefabricated manufactured in the factory, so it can provide to the customer with operation, maintenance, commission, and the installation easy. Finally, Midea solution provides to this project with the efficiency at 0.345 kilowatt per ton COP and 0.144 kilowatt per ton MPLV to save 50 days installation time. According to this project and research the IDC application in the world, it is easy to say that the chain of IDC development, including industry and technology chain, high density has become basic requirement. In the next 3 to 5 years, 50 to 20 kilowatt per cabinet will become the mainstream. Reliability became a key factor in data center infrastructure. Flexibility, the first generation infrastructure should match the evolution of the second and the third generation IT power. Rapid development becomes necessary when service requirements erupt. According to the report, through the modular design, the typical data center construction delivery time can be reduced from 18 months to 6 months, while also reducing the requirement on the quality and the number of operation and maintenance personnel. Low carbon, green, environmental protection, reduced TCO, practical, social responsibility. The data center needs to consider how to achieve the optimal environmental friendly from the whole life cycle of planning, design, construction, operation, and maintenance, so that PUE can lower than 1.2. The technology chain as follows: full modularization, TTM reduction, support ID with LST evolution, full digitalization and AI intelligence, data center with driverless evolution, air and liquid fusion, high density matching, flexible adaptation, minimal power supplier, high density equipment. Big voltage leakage enables optimal power consumption per VM. Data centers should elevate and optimize energy consumption as a whole. Increasing the intake air temperature of the service reduces the cooling energy consumption. Therefore, reducing the PUE does not mean that the overall energy consumption of the data center is optimal. The data center infrastructure IT leakage should be optimal term. Based on the ITC chain, Midea provides intelligent temperature control solutions like chilling water and air AHU with the BMS control system. The kit product including indoor unit, high temperature magnetic and the VFD centrifugal chiller, direct or indirect evaporate AHU unit. Chilling water system solution use the centrifugal chiller and the cooling stock tank, all parts with full VFD technology, large data T terminal, low approach data T, and BMS control. The chilling water temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. It is high temperature to increase the efficiency and extend free cooling running hour to save energy. Here, I'd like to introduce Midea magnetic chiller with cooling capacity from 170 tons to 1800 tons. It offers competitive initial investment, the lower operating cost and maintenance cost, the ultimate reliability, smart control, environmental sustainability. The magnetic chiller used in the data center application has excellent features like super fast start. It can reduce 16 seconds from start to cooling capacity loading to 80%. One more thing, it can make 0 degrees Celsius between the leaving chilling water temperature and the enter cooling water temperature. It means the chiller can run on the free cooling as early as possible. Look at another solution which uses the VFD air-cooled screw chiller. It doesn't need any cooling tower and cooling pumps. It uses the fan and coil of the chiller, can run its lower air temperature to minus 25 degrees Celsius and run free cooling longer. Midea Air Booster Inverter air-cooled screw chiller with free cooling is special designed for the data center application. It will save up to 40% of the power consumption with free cooling mode and compressor mode. It is designed for running 24 hours and all year round. Proven VFD technology and with Midea patent screw compressor, it has a reliability for the customer. Package design and intelligent control make it all automatic. The wide operating range can make it work around the world. The air temperature from minus 25 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius, leaving water temperature from minus 5 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. One more solution for the small data center project is DX type, which will be installed direct inside room. It saves energy, installation space, and time. The evaporator AHU is one of the most popular data center solutions. It is installed outdoor and water outside air do not go into indoor. Modular and factory package can save installation time, low TCO construction, and investment by stages. This is the Midea BMS display for the customer. It is cockpit. It is Midea latest comprehensive automatic management platform for building equipment, including air conditioning, ventilation, lighting, water supply, and elevator systems. Midea BMS has 5 core features. It can make buildings more comfortable, save electricity by more than 30%, and reduce manpower by more than 50%. In a word, Midea Intelligent Temperature Control Solution is lifespan solution and service. We do not only provide equipment, but also the comprehensive solution to help customers to save energy, make the buildings greener and more intelligent. Thank you for your time. Thank you.